Okay, I came outside to water a few of my plants because I only have a few. You see, I'm going to be writing and publishing some writings. Pretty bad. It does smell a little funny. I don't have my plants on my deck no more because I'm transitioning into a writer. I've already written. I'm not a writer, I'm a storyteller. And I love to eat, and I got some great, I don't know how many recipes to share because I keep adding. The book is not done. It's got more that has to be applied, but we are so far into it. It is coming out. I heard my husband tell me by Christmas, and I said, no way. It's got to be done by August, but we're not rushing. I'm tweaking and putting in special things, not like a cookbook. I'm not a cookbook, okay? It'll have all my beautiful, probably the best recipes you ever had in your life, because I've done them all 100 times over. Anyway, this is the day. I can't take it. I'm watering a little bit, and I'm going in, getting back into the cold room where we work, and I have Michael today to work with me. Yes, we're working in there. You gotta take a break though. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Hey, tell me one more thing. When we first started life with Me Gina Marie 6 years ago, all you fine, wonderful, nice followers were with me then. And a lot of you are still with me now. And those are the ones I'm mentioning in the book, okay? I really appreciate you. A lot is gone. But I have some special surprises for you in the book that no other book has. And, yeah. So, I can't wait to get done with it. But anyway, I was asking you. I didn't sell these hats. Actually, I gave them away. They're weathered. It's supposed to be torn like that. But I had them in red and blue, and I like the khaki myself. But on my landing page, which is going to be the site I'm going to give you to purchase my book. Ow, I think I just got stung by a bee. Well, anyway, I had hats there for sale. And I'm asking, what do you think? Should I invest in some hats for you guys? Would anybody be interested in this Strive to Be Happy hat? Maybe I will anyway and have some contests like I used to have. I don't have time. Maybe. I don't know. I'm busy writing. I think a bee stung me in my back. Ow. Let me see. Can I see in the mirror? Ah, there you are, G. Ugh. I gotta trim my hair. I don't have time. How long it got. Holy molars. Man, girl, we got a lot of wrinkles. Oh, well, good thing for filters. Facebook wants 58 stories every month, and I've got to keep them up to keep up my status, to keep you on here, so I can keep telling you when the book will be out. So, I gotta go. This is going to be all chopped up. Strive to be happy. I know. Thank you, God. Yeah, thank you. Let's go in.